Hi everyone. Are you interested in transforming any image into a captivating animated character, like the one you see here? Well, let me share an incredible secret with you.
I have harnessed the power of AI tools to create this magical result.
By the way, if you find this as amazing as I do, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Digital Fusion for more exciting content. Now, let's dive into the process. Firstly, we'll begin by creating our very own character. For this demonstration, I've chosen Willow AI. By using this, I am creating a character of an cool professor. As you can see, I have 4 options, and I believe the 4th one perfectly captures the essence I'm looking for. So I will quickly save this. So our character has been created. Moving on to the next step, let's transform our photo into a speaking image. For this purpose, I'm utilizing the powerful tool called Studio DID. By creating a free account, you'll be granted 20 credits to explore its functionalities. Once you've signed in, don't forget to switch to desktop size. Now click on Create Video. You'll find various options to choose from. While there are many exciting choices, I prefer to use my own character. Click on Add and upload the previously saved photo. Look at that! Our character seamlessly integrates into the platform, ready to be transformed into a captivating speaking photo. And now, it's time to write your script in the designated box. You can select your desired language, such as US English, and even choose between a male or female voice. Let's go with a male voice for this demonstration. You can even listen to a preview to get a glimpse of how it sounds. Once you're satisfied, click on Generate Video. After a brief moment, you'll see 3 dots appear. Click on them to download your incredible video creation.
Hey there. I'm delighted to have you here. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.
Share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable content.
Your support means the world to me. Thank you.